This video is presented by Fopping. PolyGel nails are very light and comfortable to wear. They're both strong and flexible. They cure fast under LED light. PolyGel was developed to utilize the advantages of both acrylic and gel. This advanced product is a mixture of acrylic powder in a gel base. It is used like gel, initially with a base layer and sculpted over your form like so. Then voila! The perfect nails you've always wanted. Now let's proceed to the top 3 PolyGel nail kits. Number 3. Gershon PolyGel Kit. The Gershon kit is contained inside a chic box. The package includes 6 30 ml tubes of different colored gels, 1 8 ml base coat and 1 8 ml top coat. Also included are 60 pieces of dual forms in different sizes, 1 dual-headed nail brush and spatula. The Gershon PolyGel kit has the highest reviews but the fewest number of purchases among this list. Number 2. Model 1's PolyGel Kit. The Model 1's kit is housed in a stylish box. The package contains 5 15 grams of normal color gels, 1 15 grams of temperature colored changing gel, 1 15 ml slip solution, 1 10 ml base coat, 1 10 ml top coat, 1 dual-ended nail brush and spatula, 120 dual forms with 12 sizes, 1 file, 1 glitter dust powder, and 1 decoration diamond and instruction manual. The edge Model 1 has over the rest is that it includes items not found in the other kits, like temperature colored changing gel, a slip solution, glitter dust, decoration diamond. It has the second highest reviews among the 3, as well as the second highest number of purchases. Number 1. Macart PolyGel Kit. The Macart kit's box is quite elegant, and the package contains 6 15 ml colored extension gels, 1 8 ml base coat and 1 8 ml top coat, 60 dual forms in 12 sizes, 1 dual-ended nail brush and spatula, 1 file and 1 instruction manual. Macart is the best seller in this list, more than twice the 2 others combined, and very high reviews as well. It's a testament to its quality, ease of use, and reliability. There you have it, the top 3 PolyGel nail kits, brought to you by Fopping.